Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Typically Tina. Should we do one more? Right, listen, I've just got to say this. Just watch the voice, that's it. I love this lady so much. I've worked with her a bit in the past, but she doesn't remember. Don't shut your face. All right. Now, ladies and gents.
I remember that night.
Oh, God. I've got to say, she's one of the most entertaining, absolutely lovely ladies. Now, can I just say, apologies about the market at the back there, because we had like 100-mile-an-hour winds coming through, and it was more like carry on camping. Carry on camping. I've got one arm longer than the other now, but holding it up like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, these guys, honest, this wind is terrible up here, but that is pure professionalism. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say this, I had to go there because all I can say is you nearly saw her, simply the breasts.
Have you had a good time? Now, my friends, this has been the Typically Tina show. I've got a little secret. Can you keep a secret, Canby Island? Let me try that again. Can you keep a secret? My secret? Not yet. Jeff. I'm not really Tina Turner. My name is Karen Bello. I'm from Los Angeles, California. It's been an absolute pleasure being here with you this afternoon. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Have you enjoyed yourself? Now, my friends, we have been doing the show for the best part of 12 years now, and we're going to continue to honor the wonderful woman, her life, and her fantastic music for as long as we possibly can. We're going to finish off with one last song, and it's called Simply the Best. Thank you very much. Take care, and good night.
Put your hands together, the fabulous, typically, Tina. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Candy, show your appreciation.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thanks for keeping me honest.
Oh, yes, no problem at all.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend, people!
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on Carry On Camping. I've got to tell you this, 80-odd mile an hour winds, and that gazebo stood up, and Bobby Brown, our doorman, wherever he is, he'd come up and he went, I'll push that man for you. He went like that and he snapped it. I've got to play this for me, Lean On Me. Many thanks to Karen, many thanks to the band.